Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a virtual machine. To begin, select a strong virtualization software, such as VMware Workstation or Oracle VirtualBox. Your host computer needs at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a robust central processing unit. Then, dedicate a minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM and 4 CPU cores to your virtual machine for optimal performance. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's optimize your virtual machine for Roblox. Install a streamlined operating system like Windows 10 LTSC or a suitable Linux distribution. Crucially, install the most recent graphics drivers directly inside your virtual machine to enhance visual performance. Remember to enable 3-dimensional acceleration and set your video memory to at least 256 megabytes. These steps significantly boost your gameplay experience. With your virtual machine optimized, it's time to get Roblox running. Download and install the Roblox client directly onto your virtual machine's operating system, just as you would on a physical computer. For the best performance, adjust Roblox's in-game graphics settings to a lower preset. Additionally, consider using a virtual private network to ensure stable and secure network connectivity within your virtual environment. This helps prevent lag. To ensure the smoothest Roblox experience, consistently maximize your performance. Always close any unnecessary applications running on both your host computer and within the virtual machine. Regularly update your virtualization software and the virtual machine's operating system to benefit from the latest improvements. Finally, actively monitor your central processing unit and random access memory usage to quickly identify and resolve any potential performance bottlenecks. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.